Imagine turning your laptop into a gold mine with just an internet connection and a dash of creativity. Today, we're diving into the top 10 online business ideas that are perfect for beginners. These aren't just random suggestions. We're talking about real, actionable strategies to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. From the comfort of your home, learn how to transform your passion and skills into a profitable business. Stay tuned as we uncover these gems. And who knows, one of them might just be your ticket to success. Number 1. Dropshipping. Have you ever thought about running a store without having to worry about inventory or storage space? Welcome to the world of dropshipping. It's like being the middleman without the hassle of stockpiling products. In dropshipping, you set up an online store and partner with suppliers who are ready to store, package, and ship products to your customers. It's cost-effective because you don't need to buy products in advance. You only purchase what you've already sold. So how do you make it successful? It's all about finding the right niche and suppliers and marketing your store effectively. Think about products that are in demand but not widely available, or tap into your passion and sell products related to a hobby or interest you're knowledgeable about. The beauty of dropshipping is its flexibility. You can run your store from anywhere with an internet connection. To get started, research your niche, choose a reliable supplier, and create a user-friendly website. Remember, your website is your storefront. Make it inviting and easy to navigate. But here's the kicker. The real game changer is digital marketing. Use social media, email marketing, and SEO to attract customers to your site. And don't forget about customer service. Providing a great shopping experience can turn a one-time buyer into a loyal customer. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is like being a product matchmaker. You find products you love, promote them to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. It's perfect for those who have a strong online presence, like bloggers, YouTubers, or social media influencers. The key is to promote products or services that align with your audience's interests. For example, if you run a fitness blog, you might promote workout gear, supplements, or personal training services. Getting started is pretty straightforward. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Commission Junction. Choose products that resonate with your audience and start promoting. But here's the twist. It's not just about posting links. Successful affiliate marketing requires building trust with your audience. Share your genuine experiences and thoughts about the products. The more honest and authentic you are, the more likely your audience will value your recommendations and make purchases. Plus, keep up with trends and new products in your niche to keep your content fresh and engaging. Number 3. Blogging. Imagine sharing your passions, insights, and experiences with the world and making money from it. That's what blogging is all about. It's a fantastic way for beginners to enter the online business world. You can start a blog about anything: travel, food, fashion, technology, you name it. The key is to choose a niche you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This passion will resonate in your writing and attract readers. Monetizing your blog can be done in various ways, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling digital products. But it's not just about making money. Blogging is about building a community. Engage with your readers through comments, social media, and emails. And here's the thing, consistency is key. Regularly update your blog with quality content to keep your audience coming back. Plus, don't estimate the power of SEO. Use keywords, meta descriptions, and high-quality images to boost your blog's visibility in search engines. Number 4. Online courses and coaching. Do you have a skill or expertise that others might want to learn? Turn it into an online course or coaching business. The demand for online learning is booming, and you can capitalize on it. Whether it's cooking, coding, digital marketing, or yoga, there's an audience out there eager to learn. Creating an online course involves planning your content, recording videos, and setting up a platform to host your course. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or your own website can be great places to start. For coaching, platforms like Zoom or Skype allow you to conduct one-on-one or group sessions. Remember, the key is to provide value. Your course or coaching should solve a problem or fulfill a need. And don't forget about marketing. Use social media, email lists, and webinars to promote your courses or coaching services. It's all about establishing yourself as an expert in your field and building a rapport with your audience. Number 5. Print on demand. Are you artistic or have a knack for creating catchy designs? Then print on demand could be your online business calling. This model allows you to sell custom designs on products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without having to deal with inventory. You create the designs and a third-party company handles the rest. Printing, shipping, and customer service. The beauty of print on demand is its simplicity and low risk. You don't need to invest in inventory or worry about unsold stock. Focus on creating designs that resonate with a specific audience or trend. And here's a pro tip. Use social media and online marketplaces to showcase your designs and reach a wider audience. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or your own e-commerce website are great places to start. Remember, success in print on demand is about originality and understanding what your customers want. Number 6, social media management. In today's digital world, a strong social media presence is crucial for businesses, but not all business owners have the time or expertise to manage it. That's where you come in as a social media manager. This role involves creating, curating, and managing published content across social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. It's not just about posting updates, it's about crafting a digital strategy that aligns with the brand's identity, engaging with the audience, and analyzing the performance of social media campaigns. To excel, you need to stay updated with the latest social media trends and tools. The best part? You can work from anywhere and choose clients from diverse industries, making every day a new learning experience. Number 7, freelance writing. For those with a flair for writing, freelance writing can be a lucrative online business. It encompasses a wide range of services, including article writing, copywriting, blogging, and more. Businesses are constantly in need of quality content to engage their audience and boost their online presence. As a freelance writer, you can tap into various niches based on your interests and expertise. The key to success is to build a strong portfolio and network to attract clients. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and LinkedIn are great places to start. Remember, each writing assignment is a new adventure. You'll be exploring different topics, expanding your knowledge, and honing your writing craft. Number 8, e-commerce store. Starting an e-commerce store is an excellent way to enter the online business world. Unlike dropshipping, you're in control of your products, inventory, and branding. The first step is to select a niche market. This could be anything from handmade jewelry to eco-friendly home goods. Next, source or create your products. Then, set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. The real magic lies in how you present your products and engage with customers. High-quality product images, compelling product descriptions, and an easy-to-navigate website are crucial. Additionally, leveraging social media and digital marketing strategies to drive traffic to your store is key. E-commerce requires dedication, but the reward of building a brand and connecting directly with customers is immense. Number 9, podcasting. Podcasting is an increasingly popular medium that allows you to share your voice and stories with the world. Whether you're passionate about true crime, technology, or personal development, there's an audience for virtually every interest. Start by defining your podcast's theme and target audience. Then focus on quality content and audio production. While it requires some initial equipment investment, like a good microphone, the ongoing costs can be quite low. Monetizing your podcast can come from sponsorships, listener donations, or affiliate marketing. The key to a successful podcast is to consistently deliver content that entertains, informs, or inspires your audience, and to engage with your listeners through social media and community forums. Number 10, virtual event planning. With the shift to digital, virtual event planning has become a sought-after service. From webinars to online workshops, companies and individuals are looking for skilled planners to create memorable virtual experiences. This role involves more than just setting up a Zoom call. It requires strategic planning, technical knowledge, and creativity to make each event unique and engaging. You'll need to coordinate with speakers, manage event technology, and ensure the event runs smoothly. Networking and marketing are crucial to attract clients. If you're organized, tech-savvy, and love bringing ideas to life, virtual event planning could be a rewarding venture. And that's a wrap. Armed with these top 10 online business ideas, you're now ready to embark on your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, the key is to start small, dream big, and keep learning. Until next time, keep innovating and stay inspired.